Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. Burned. And magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Okay.
Ikaw dito, Shane. Sige na, ikaw yung pambata namin. Let's go, Sandy! Sandy!
Galing, galing, galing.
Nagugulat.
Sabi mo ako sa ano dito?
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.
Hi, Bini Oya.
Si Sheena kasi ang galing-galing sa make face. Gumaganon pa siya.
At Centrum Advance. May over 25 protective nutrients.
Ano ba yan?
Para protektado sa heart.
Pang school. Wala pa ngang uniform, di ba? Kukunin pa sa Monday, hindi ka nakikinig. Patay na! So, kausap ko multo?
Diba? Sorry.
Ang bait. Sorry. Sorry po.
Kainis.
That it's gonna be balot. So, the English of balot is Dr. Quack Quack. Yeah, that's how you call it. But it's so yummy. You know, it has soup. When you crack when you crack, galit na galit yung when you crack the balot and then when you open the shell and then you drink, it's so yummy. People say it's people kept saying na it's the duck's, Blooms, anong English ng ihi, please? It's the duck's urine, but it's not. It's just the water from the boiling water. It's the Dr. Quack Quack. So if you come here in the Philippines, you should ask the people, where can I buy Dr. Quack Quack? Wait.
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
Mahal mo ba, Blooms? Naman!
Ano? Ano?
Siyempre, I love Blooms. Blooms, I love you. Hindi, Blooms, mahal ko kayo. Hello, wait lang, isa pa. Isa pa. Mahal ko ang Blooms. Hindi! Ano to? Mali to, mali. Mali. Blooms, I love you. Diba?
Lalaki po si Kaulo. Hindi po siya buntis.
Sabi ni Mickey, nag-English daw siya sa Porda. For the soda. For the phone. For the chips. For the water.
Like, oh my god, no.
For the pencil case. For the GoPro.
For the wiki. For the cringe.
Oo, ganyan. Ito yan, eh. Uy, ang bargas naman. Pagka-bargas na lang